Yeah, what's going on, guys? What's going on, guys? Yeah, it's been a long time, man. Gotta say sorry for that, man. Just went out there to, take a little vacation from talking about all this Forex, talking about same topic all the time, Just went out to, go get some new knowledge about what I'm gonna be sharing, you understand? So I think I've talked a lot about my strategy and Forex, so I need to bring a new idea into this talk, you understand? Now, what do I want to do now? You see, now I'm going to analyze this market right now, So as you're looking at it, you understand? Let me tell you, I'm going to analyze it. It's going to be a buy, and I want to tell you why it's a buy. It's going to be a quick analyze. If you like this type of stuff, you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon because this is the type of video I'm going to be doing. Alright? Great. So let's say this is the lowest low we got on this move by the red line, and let's say that we want to break out from this kind of, you understand, we want to break out of this box. Okay, let's say we're gonna break out of this box, you understand? Now let's say that this is the highest high we got a bounce back here. Alright, great. And then what we're gonna do, let's say, okay, this is our entry. This green line is our entry. As you can see, I have my entry above it. As you can see, it's a buy stop of 0.25 lot. You understand? Great. As you can see that even as I'm talking to you, I'm trading also. You understand? So now let's say where it's gonna be. No. Before we talk about anything, let me replace this one with the entry. This is the entry. This is our entry. Okay, and then this is the highest high we ever went, right? So if this is gonna break out of this red box right here, and this is our entry, then we're gonna break out, and which means what? We're trading from this zone, this red here to this red here. So definitely, maybe there's gonna be a breakout of this red. I don't know, but you understand. Before that breakout will happen, even if it's gonna happen, let's say we want to exit anywhere around here. So what is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is that based on this picture that I'm looking at, this is bouncing from here. It's been rejected from here. So definitely, if the worst will ever come to the worst, from this picture I'm looking here, it might pull down and still bounce back like a rejection to activate our entry. Okay? So what will finally happen is that it's going up. What might break this box? I don't know. We trade in between these two boxes. This red. Those are the two places we had the rejection, recent rejection. Here, recent rejection. Okay, so we've seen it. This is why I have to buy this one, this leg. We have to buy this leg right now, and then we're gonna exit. We don't care if it's gonna bounce or break this one. We don't give a fuck about this. But all we care about is, ever before it will break out, we get our profit, we get out. We go plan the next trade. So guys, I think this is a quick analysis, and this is just a taste of the new things to come on my channel. So if you like this type of stuff, want you to be right in here. You understand? Subscribe and press that bell icon. Okay, it's been a long time I talked to you guys. I don't want to be talking about the same thing over and over again about the forex strategy, this and that. That is where we started, and that is we ended up. Now we're coming with analyzing the market for you. Alright, so take care. God bless you. Okay, read the description below to go join all my social media, because I'll be posting a lot and it will be going there. If you miss it on YouTube, you can get it on any of my social media accounts. So take care and God bless you. Bye.